sec. Right. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's nice to see you again tonight. Okay, hopefully I find you guys in a good condition, already full, having your dinner and ready to learn with the rest of the class. All right, guys. All right, so without any further ado, let's just start the lesson for the day. Okay, so tonight we're continuing chapter 15. Okay, it seems like we're gonna finish this chapter tonight. Okay, we'll start with the role plays, and afterwards then we're gonna continue with the exercise of the grammars. Okay, which is about adjective. Okay, all right, so to do the role plays I need 8 volunteers. Okay, anybody interested to do the conversation, the dialogue, the role plays, you may raise your hands and I'll assign the dialect to you guys. Okay, go. All right. Okay, long time no see Miss Rosella here, right? Okay, so I'll have Miss Rosella doing John's dialect number 1 until number 4. And then Miss Fu will do Steve number 1 until number 4. And then Mr. Amin is going to take care of John's number 5 until number 8. And then I still have 5 spots, guys. Okay, while waiting for the rest of the class, I'll review some of the words. I need you guys to pay extra attention to it. Okay, so you may pronounce it correctly. All right. Okay, I see Miss Lily here already in. Okay, Miss Lily will do Steve's number 5 until number 8. Okay, we have 4 spots available, guys. You may raise your hands. Okay, all right, there you go. John's number 9 until 11. Okay, for 9. Okay, we have 3 spots, guys. Okay, Johan. All right, Johan, thank you for joining class tonight and trying Steve's dialogue number 9 until 12. Okay, Steve's dialogue will be are numbered in green. Okay. Okay, so Johan taking care of Steve's number 9 until 12. 2 more spots available. Okay, it's really nice. Then we can hear new voices, right, guys? Okay. All right, let me review some of the words and the phrases first. Right, guys? Right here, we have production manager. All right, production manager. And then on John's dialect number 1, we see the word finance department. Finance department. Okay. All right. Excuse the background sound. Okay, guys. If you hear any coughing, okay. Now next we have Steve's number 4. All right. Okay. Pay attention to this word. Okay, guys. It's sales department. Sales department instead of sales. Okay, it's sales department. Next we have the word wants the materials, and then we'll go through go through, okay? And then next one we have processes. Next on John's number 4 we have local suppliers. Okay, move on to John's number 5. Purchased materials. Next we have Steve number 6. Suppliers. And then we have requirements. All right, next we materials from department A. Okay, instead of department, okay, we're gonna say department. Okay, next John's number 9 is calculated by engineering department. Calculated by the engineering department. Next we have Steve's number 11, priority. Okay, the T silence, guys, instead of priority. Okay, it's priority. Okay, number 1 priority at Lindell. Next, move on to Steve's 1/10 of 1%. Okay, and next we have record. To number 12 of John's, also record. Excellent record. Okay, and then we have Steve's number 13, strive to excel in our job. Okay, next we have John's number 14, production shift. Then currently. How many production shifts do you have currently have? Okay, and then let's move on to, that's it. Okay, guys, only a few. Okay, let's see. Okay, Eileen, I say Eileen. Okay, instead of Johan. Okay, I guess it's the same, all right, so I have 2 more spots. I see Ian. Okay, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. It's Ian or Ian. Okay, anyway, since we're in Indonesia, so I'm gonna pronounce your name as Ian. All right, Ian will take care of John's number 12 until number 16. And then I see Ching Ching. All right, Ching Ching, you'll do Steve's number 13 until number 17. How excited to see so many new names, and we're gonna hear new voices, guys. All right, cool. All right, give me one moment. Yan, and then Ching Ching. All right. Okay, allow me to repeat the parts that you guys gonna take care of. Okay, for the role play before I'm unmute you guys. All right, so I'll have number 1 until number 4. Miss Fu will do Steve number 1 until number 4. Mr. Amin taking care of John's number 5 until number 8. And Miss Lily is doing John's number 9 until 11. And then Johan of Steve's number 9 until 12. Ian is going to take care of John's number 12 under 16, and Ching Ching is 10. All right, now I'm going to unmute you guys. Okay, the least background sound will be really appreciated. That way the rest of the class can hear your voice. Okay, and then they're gonna learn how to pronounce it. Okay, all right, Allow me to unmute you guys now,
Good evening,
guys.
Miss Susan.
Okay.
Good evening, Miss
Good
Susan.
evening,
Good
Miss.
evening, Mr. Amin. Okay.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Right.
Good evening, Miss.
On. Okay, that's
Miss
Ian
Susan.
and Ching Ching. All right, perfect.
Miss Susan, my turn.
All right.
Shift
Everybody
number.
already unmuted. Good evening to the whole classroom. Okay. All right. So times is yours. You may start with Miss Rosella.
Okay. Good morning, Steve. My name is John, and I am the new person in the finance department.
Good morning, John. What can I do for you?
As a new person, I need to understand the operation at Linter. So I wonder whether I can ask you some questions about the manufacturing process in your department now.
Hold on a second, John. Let me pause the production schedule before we sit down and talk. Okay, where do you want to start?
Well, you can describe the production flow in your department.
The production process is based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department. First, we order raw material from our supplier. Once the material arrive at our plant, they are transferred to the production floor where they will go through where they will go through 5 different processes before they become finished goods.
How many suppliers do we deal with? Are they all local suppliers? Do any materials come from overseas?
Class, I cannot hear your voice again. Okay, so I have to uh, exit the what do you call the Zoom first. Okay. Hey, hold on. Mr. Amin, can you speak to me?
Yes, it's me.
Yes. Okay. I don't hear Mr. Amin.
I'm here, Miss.
Leave first, okay,
It's
guys.
clearly.
Sorry about this, guys. Try to connect again, okay. Give me 1 second. Let me share this. Okay, somebody, Miss Fu, can you speak to me?
Yes, Miss Susan. Hello. Hello, Miss.
Miss Eileen, can you speak to me?
Yes, I can.
Oh God, I don't. Let me try again, okay? You're muted. Unmute. Okay. 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 Let me check the setting. Miss Fu, can you speak to me? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can.
I cannot hear you. Oh, what happened to this? What's going on? Let me check the audio really quick, okay, guys. Okay, guys, I have to start again, okay? Guys.
Susah nggak tahu. Bapaknya dengan uang itu yang dipegang itu kan. Bapaknya juga ada villa di Working Farm kan. Bapaknya ada bisnis yang lumayan baik. Punya anak cowok 3. Ini Logan yang kedua.
Mana? Ini ngasih makan, Bay. Bayar nggak?
Okay, I can hear you guys. Okay. All right, cool. Mr. Hamin, can you talk to me?
Yes, it's me.
Perfect. Okay, yes, I can hear you. All right, sorry about the inconvenience, guys. All right, let me see. I'll share again. Okay, here we go. And then let me see who I need to unmute. Okay, Miss Rosella, Ian, Ching Ching. Okay, perfect. Let's start again, guys. Start with Miss Rosella.
Okay. Good morning, Steve. My name is John, and I am the new person in the finance department.
Good morning, John. What can I do for you?
As a new person, I need to understand the operation at Lintel. So I wonder whether I can ask you some question about the manufacturing process in your department now.
Hold on a second, John. Let me pause the production schedule before we sit down and talk. Okay, where do you want to start?
Well, you can describe the production flow in your department.
The production process is based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department. First, we order raw material from our supplier. Once the material arrives at our plant, they are transferred to the production floor where they will go through 5 different processes before they become finished goods.
How many suppliers do we deal with? Are they all local suppliers? Do any materials come from overseas?
We have a very limited number of suppliers. We deal with approximately approximately 10 main suppliers in the US, and we only have a handful of suppliers overseas.
How do you control the quality of the purchased material?
One of the reasons for having a limited number of suppliers is to ensure that quality of raw materials My quality control group works very closely with our suppliers to make sure that they meet our quality requirement.
Do you maintain a high level of inventory?
No, we keep a very low level of inventory.
How do you move materials from one department to the next?
Very easily through the material request form. If the Department B needs materials from Department A, it will fill out a materials request form and give it to Department A.
A very simple process. How about the label? How do you calculate the labor cost?
Step number 9.
The engineering department has done a study on the production process. It has calculated the time required by each different process.
So, under normal situation, the actual production time of each products be close to the estimated time calculated by the engineering department.
That is right.
How do you make sure that you only ship good product to our customer?
We definitely do not want to send out defective products. My employees are always reminded that product quality is #1 priority at Lintel.
Do they understand that they should always give their best and that defective products less the cost of production?
Yes, they perfectly understand that. As a matter of fact, our defective rate is lower than 0.1%. We are very proud of our record.
John number 12. Ian. Okay, let me see, where's Ian? Ian, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Ian, your turn is going to be John's number 12 until John's number 16. Ian, can you hear me?
Yes.
So, your turn is going to be John's number 12. Can you see John's number 12?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
How do you maintain this excellent record?
And the other one. Give me one moment, guys. Ching ching. Your turn is going to be Steve's number 13 until Steve's number 17, all right?
Yes.
All right, go ahead. It's gonna be between you and Ian now.
We adopt the continuous improvement spirit. We evaluate our operating results very often and strive to excel in our job. And those posters on the wall also help see the slogan "Nothing but excellence" over there. Yes, what is good for the company is ultimately
Apa yang harus itu?
for the right?
Lima satu.
Definitely.
Treatment kami.
Next question. How many production shifts do you currently have? There are 2 shifts. The
Satu, dua, tiga,
first on one is from 8 a.m. to
4:30.
4:30 p.m. and the second one is from 2 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Do the employees earn the same hourly rate? No, the pay rate of the second shift is 10% higher than the rate of the first shift. That makes sense, Steve. I think I have enough information for now. I might come back and bother you again if I have more questions. Thanks a lot for your help. Anytime, John, you know where I am.
All right. Thank you guys. Okay. Okay, 1 second. Turns out that the new voices are from the our bill from the kids, guys. Okay, actually, guys, I believe this class is only for the one 17 and older. That's why some words is a little bit maybe not that familiar to you guys. Okay, but thank you for trying, guys. Okay, very good. Okay, so maybe you wanna try to give suggestion to Mr. Tony. Maybe we can have a conversation class for under 17. Okay, guys. Okay, so will be easier. That way you guys can learn how to pronounce it better. Okay, how to have the intonation, all that. Okay, guys, you may text Mr. Tony and then give the suggestion. All right, guys. So all right, so let me give little review on this time, this role play. Okay, guys, let's check on Steve's number 4. Steve's number 4. Okay, maybe it's quite a long dialogue here. Okay, so as I heard a lot of missed pronunciation. Okay, now let's see on this. The first one is based. The production process is based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department. Okay, right here. Okay, right here. Okay, second, it's based. Okay, based. Okay. moment. Okay. Right here, based. Okay, this is a passive word. Okay, passive sentence. Okay, it's based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department. All right, sales department. All right, first we order raw. Okay, raw materials. Okay, bahan baku mentah. Okay. And then we have from our suppliers, once the materials arrive at our plant, they are transferred. Okay, another passive here. Okay, transferred. It passive, you know, we're gonna use to be plus past tense. All right, and then transferred. Okay, so based, transferred. Okay, raw materials. All right. So let me have Miss Fu try again, okay? Just no rushing, okay? As long you pronounce it right, okay? The eyes coordination with the voice, all right? All right, Miss Fu. Okay, the production process is based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department, all right? Go ahead, the first sentence.
The production process is based on the customer order information that I received from the sales department.
Perfectly. First, we order raw materials from our suppliers.
First, we order raw material from our supplier.
Once the materials arrive at our plant, they are transferred to the production floor where they will go through 5 different processes before they become finished goods.
Once the material arrive at our plant, they are transferred to the production floor where they will go through 5 different processes before they become finished goods.
Very good. See, you can do it. Okay. Okay, perfectly done. Okay, so just when we talk in Indonesian, saat kita berbicara bahasa Indonesia, terkadang kita akan mengucapkan beberapa kalimat dalam satu kali menjawab. Jadi saat kita berbicara bahasa Inggris pun itu sama. Jadi kita tidak perlu terlalu no rushing to say the stuff, okay? So that way we have a coordination between what's in our mind and then what we spill through the words, okay? All right, very good. Thank you, Miss Fu.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Let's move on to, we have the Steve's number 9. Okay. Steve number 9. Okay, pay attention to the word. Required. Okay, it has calculated the time required by each different processes. Okay, another passive here. All right, required by. Okay, now number 9, I'll have Steve number 9, which is okay, Johan. Huh? All right, where is Johan? Is Johan still here? Oh, actually, it's not Johan, it's Eileen, huh? All right, Eileen, you may start after me, okay? Repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Give me 1 second. It has calculated the time required by each different process.
It has calculated the time required by each different process.
Very good. All right. Okay, Eileen, how old are you?
I'm 11.
Okay, you're 11. Okay, perfect. Thank you. All right. Next, Okay, priority. Okay, priority. Okay, Steve's number 11. Products. Hold on, okay, this, okay. Steve number 11, okay. Pay attention to the word products and priority at Lintel. Okay. We definitely do not want to send out defective products. My employees are always reminded that that product quality is number one priority at Lintel. Okay, Steve number 11. Okay, Steve number 11, that's Eileen, all right. All right, Eileen, you may repeat after me, all right? We definitely do not want to send out defective products. Go ahead. We definitely do not want to send out defective products.
We definitely do not want to send out defective products.
My employees are always reminded that products quality is number one priority at Lintel.
My employers are always remind me that product quality is number one priority at Lintel.
All right, products quality
Products quality
is number one priority.
is number one priority.
Priority at Lintel.
Priority at Lintel.
All right, when you say the T on the word priority, you don't, it's a T is silent. Oke, saat kita pengucapan kata priority, T-nya ini yang di kata priority ini, it's going to be silent. Silent itu jadi pengucapan T-nya itu tidak kentara ya. Jadi silent ya. Oke, priority. Repeat after me. Priority.
Priority.
Alright, it's better. Okay. Priority at Lintel.
Priority at Lintel.
Alright, that's better. Alright, perfect. Alright, thank you. Okay. Now let's move on to right, actually because we have the students younger than 17, so yes, and they're just joining, so they're missed quite a bit. Okay, but well, that's nice of them to try. Okay, let's keep up the spirit there. All right, guys. Okay, just keep on practicing. Okay, you may listen to the recording that what do you call new normal posted on the YouTube. Okay, so that way you guys can listen to the classmates pronunciation. All right, learn from there. Okay, all right, guys, so let's move on. This is the rest of the class pronounced it very good. Okay, we just miss a little bit because of the speed of reading. Okay, all right, so let's comprehension test done, everything is done, discussion. Now we still have a little bit exercise on the grammar review. Okay, guys, so let's go do that. Let me share a different one. Okay, this is the exercise we're gonna do tonight. All right, there you go. Okay, so last week you guys already answered all this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, exercise 1 and 2 are done, guys. Okay, very good on the adverb. Adverb, okay, kata keterangan. Okay, kata keterangan has the same function like in Indonesia, similar. Alright, so the adverbs here in English are answer to the question how, when, how, when, okay. How often, how much, okay. That's what you guys did, okay. How, when, where, how much, and how often, okay. All right, now exercise number 3 here, okay. What you guys need to do is just fill in the blank by choosing one of the appropriate adverb from the table here, okay. So the adverbs already provided, okay. Just pick the right one to complete the sentence. Oke, jadi untuk exercise nomor 3 ini, kita hanya diminta untuk melengkapi kalimatnya dengan menambahkan adverb yang tepat sesuai dengan isi kalimat tersebut. Alright, so number 1, Ria ran to her mother, blah blah blah. Alright, let's see who wants to try. Alright, I'll have Ani try number 1, okay?
Ria ran to her mother for what?
What is it? Repeat again.
Ria ran to her mother for what?
For what? Well, actually, we have the words here. Can you see the one in the box here, Annie? We have out, before, quickly, often, forward, once, pretty, somewhat, to, and so. Yes, so you just need to pick one of the words there to complete the sentence, okay? Jadi jawabannya ada di dalam kotak ini nih. Out, before, all this, we have 10 of them, okay? Jadi tinggal dipilih mana yang tepat untuk melengkapi kalimat tersebut. Oke, paham Ani?
Paham.
Oke, let's do it again.
Ria ran to her mother.
Oke, let's translate to Indonesian, oke? Ria
berlari kepada ibunya.
Oke, berlari menuju ke ibunya. Bla bla bla.
Kembali.
Out, before, quickly, often, forward, once, pretty, somewhat, to, and so. Which one you think? Ria berlari menuju ke ibunya. Oke.
What? Kembali.
Which one is that?
For what?
Somewhat like this, you say?
For what? Di atasnya once.
Oh, forward. Okay, forward. Okay, sorry, yes. Okay. Oke, Ria. Oke, kalau kita masukkan forward nih ya, kita terjemahkan dalam bahasa Indonesia ya. Ria berlari menuju ke ibunya, forward. Forward itu menuju ke depan. Okay? Like going forward. Okay, usually we use the go forward. Okay, forward is gonna go with the word go most of the time. Okay, and then
Quickly.
oh, there you go. Yes. Okay, I also agree with you. Okay, let's try to translate it. Ria berlari menuju ke ibunya
Lebih cepat.
secara cepat, okay? Yes, and then also that quickly answer the question how. How did Ria run to her mother? Okay. Okay, very good. Thank you, Ani. Ani, you have any question before we move on?
No, thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, now let's move on to number 2. The scores are blah blah blah. Okay, we'll have Yuki try to answer that. Right? Number 2.
Forward.
Number 2, the scores are blah blah blah.
The scores are out.
The scores are
Scores are somewhat.
out, you say?
The
Did you
score-
see this
Out.
out?
The scores
Yes?
are out.
All right, the scores are out. Okay. Let's try to translate it to Indonesia.
Angkanya keluar.
Oke, the scores angkanya keluar ya. Oke, maybe angka atau let's say nilai. Oke, then we can say that nilainya sudah keluar gitu. Oke, very good. Thank you, Yuki. Alright, perfect. So number 3, we have met blah blah blah. Oke. Kami blah blah kami oke. Let's see. Alright, let's see who hasn't get the turn yet. Okay. Alright, let's move on to number 3. I'll have Mr. Amin try number 3, okay?
Okay, we have met past tense. We have met before.
Alright, translate to Indonesian, please.
Kami telah bertemu sebelumnya ya. Kami
Alright,
sebelumnya
yes.
sudah bertemu. Kami sebelumnya sudah bertemu.
Sebelumnya
past tense.
sudah pernah bertemu ya.
Ya.
Very good. Okay, any question, Mr. Amin?
No.
Perfectly done. Thank you. All right, number 4. I know him blah 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 well. Okay. Number 4. I'll have Miss Lily try number 4.
I know him pretty well.
All right. Indonesian is
Saya
Translate.
saya mengenal dia cukup baik.
Okay, very good. Pretty well. Sangat baik, cukup baik. Okay, instead of pretty face. All right, very good. Any question, Miss Lily, about this chapter?
No, Miss, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. All right, let's move on to number 5. The baby is blah 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 sleepy. All right, let's have Miss Fu try number 5.
The baby is often sleepy.
Okay, often sleepy. Okay, yes. Let's see my. Okay. All right. Yes. Sometimes we can say that the baby is often sleepy. Okay. Kalau often sleepy itu dia jarang mengantuk gitu loh. Kalau often itu ya. Oke. Jadi padahal kalau bayi itu kan sepertinya dia tidur terus ya, seolah-olah dia mengantuk terus kan. Ya. So, yes, grammar
The baby is too sleepy.
what is it?
Too.
Too sleepy? Yes. Yes, the baby is too sleepy ya, terlalu mengantuk. Jadi dia itu tidur terus kan. Kalau baby more than what do you call more than 8 hours a day, right? They're sleeping all the time. Most of the 24 hours is like probably like what? Just wake up for eat and then sleep again, right, baby? Okay. All right. So try to translate it for us, please.
Baby
Bayi is to
Bayi.
sleepy.
bayi sangat ngantuk.
Okay, yes. Yes. To here means like very sleepy. Yes. The other word for to here is very. The baby is very sleepy. Oh yes, mengantuk lah all the time. Yes. Okay. Very good, Miss Wu. Any question on this chapter?
No, no, Miss. Thank you.
Okay. Very good. Thank you. All right. Perfect. Let's move on to number 6. The naughty boys is blah 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 annoying. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see. Nani.
The naughty boy is so annoying.
Okay. The naughty boy is so annoying. Repeat after me.
The naughty boy is so annoying.
Naughty boy.
Naughty boy.
Okay, repeat again. The naughty boy is so annoying.
The naughty boy is so annoying.
Very good. Okay. Now let's try to translate to Indonesian, please.
Anak laki-laki yang nakal itu begitu mengganggu.
Sangat mengganggu ya. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, Nani have any question on this chapter?
No, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome, because this is gonna be our last meeting for the chapter 15. Okay, any question? Let's spill it and then we discuss it. All right, guys. All right, number 7. My aunt comes to visit us. Blah blah blah. My aunt comes to visit us. Blah blah blah. All right. I'll have Dian try to answer that for us.
My aunt comes to visit us often.
Okay. My aunt comes to visit us often. Okay. Try to translate it for us, please.
Bibi saya datang mengunjungi kami seringkali.
Often is dalam bahasa Indonesianya jarang ya.
Oh, jarang.
Jarang. Sering is like more like sometimes. Often is like really jarang, berkurang dari less than 50% like that. Okay, that's why we use often. Okay. Okay, let's try again.
Bibi saya datang mengunjungi kami jarang.
No, jarangnya di tengah seperti bahasa Indonesia. Kalau kita mau terjemahan kalau kita pakai bahasa Indonesia kalimatnya bibi kami, bibi saya.
Let me try again.
Yes, please.
Bibi saya jarang datang untuk mengunjungi kami.
Very good. Yes, perfectly. Jadi saat kita menerjemahkan pakai grammar bahasa Indonesia kita. Oke, tata bahasanya tetap pakai bahasa Indonesia. Oke, very good. Alright, thank you, Dian. Okay,
thank you, Miss.
Try to join our class again next week. Next week we'll start with the new chapter. Alright. Okay, next let's go with number 8. My grandpa is blah 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 better today. Okay, my grandpa is blah 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 better today. All right, let's have Miss Susan try number 8.
Okay, I'll try.
Sure.
My grandpa is somewhat better today.
All right. What's in Indonesian? Try to translate it.
Kakek saya sudah agak membaik hari ini.
Very good. Okay, perfectly. Okay, thank you for answering for us, Susan. All right. Let's move on to number 9. I met a magician, blah, blah, blah. I met a magician, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's see. Ready? Okay. I'll have here Eileen try. Okay, number 9.
I met a magician
I met a magician, blah, blah, blah.
Once.
Again, repeat please.
I met a magician once.
Once. Okay. I met a magician once. Do you mean this word? ONCE? Is that what you mean? Okay, hold on. Eileen?
Yes.
All right. So that word's pronounced as once. Okay. All right. Repeat after me. I met a magician once.
I met a magician once.
All right. Do you want to try to translate it?
Yes.
Sure, go ahead.
Aku bertemu seorang pesulap sekali.
Okay, yes, okay. Or dalam sometimes we can translate like this. Okay, saya pernah bertemu seorang pesulap sekali. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Eileen. Okay. Number 10, ambition urges us, blah, blah, blah. Ambition urge us, blah, blah, blah. Alright. Ambisi itu mendorong kita, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see, urge. Let's see, who's this? Okay, I'll have Yuki try, okay? Number 10 for us.
Number 10.
Yes,
Ambition
please.
urges us forward.
Okay, urge us forward. Okay, dalam bahasa Indonesia kira-kira?
Ambisi mendorong kami ke depan.
Okay. Jadi ambisi itu mendorong kita untuk maju ke depan. Oke, maju menjadi lebih baik. Maksudnya maju ke depan tuh maju lebih baik. Oke, very good. Thank you, Yuki. Alright, so that's the end of the exercise 3. Okay. So that's it for adverbs, guys. Okay. Really easy. Just you guys just need to be familiar with the adverbs and then what kind of verbs going with that adverbs, and then you guys gonna be easy to figure it out. Okay. Jadi terkadang kata keterangan adverb itu dia mempunyai gabungan dengan kata kerja tertentu gitu, okay? So like ran, okay, ran or run quickly, okay? That's the pasangannya begitu. Jadi adverb itu terkadang punya pasangan tertentu untuk kata-kata kerja tertentu, okay? So what you guys need to do is just like listen more or like read more, then automatically you guys is going to pick up all those things. Okay, all right, good guys. Finish already chapter 15. Okay, next week we'll start with the new chapter 16. Okay, try to read first. Okay, read because that's a new chapter. Read first before we meet on the class. Okay, so you guys have an idea what we're going to learn together. Okay, that way it's gonna be easier on you guys. All right. Okay, thank you for joining the class, guys. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Meanwhile, be healthy, be happy, and then
Thank you,
be
Mimi.
right. Thank you, guys. Have a great
Bye,
day.
See you next